Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. In today's video I have this Puma X-Ray 2 Square. Those are good looking shoes. I love the color combinations. The shoe is built with Puma's injected molded EVA midsole. This proprietary material is designed to be lightweight and comfortable, offering soft cushioning and responsive shock absorption despite the shoe's bulky appearance. A crucial comfort feature is the Soft Foam Plus shock liner. This extra thick insole is designed to provide superior instantaneous step-in comfort and long-lasting soft cushioning, especially in the heel area. These flat, strong shoelaces are available in a variety of colors to match your shoes, and the soft tongue of these shoes makes them comfortable to wear at any time. The upper's retro-inspired look is achieved through a blend of materials. Mesh is used for breathability and an athletic texture. Add a premium feel and layer detail with suede or synthetic suede. Synthetic leather and overlays provide structure and durability for a clean finish. The design is intentionally overtly constructed with distinct layers, bold lines and color blocking characteristic of the Y2K aesthetic. Durable rubber outsole. This solid rubber sole provides durable traction and grip, making it suitable for everyday casual wear on various surfaces. The shoe has a prominent, chunky and sometimes angular midsole-outsole design, aligning with the Dutch shoe or chunky sneaker trend. It is explicitly designed to tap into the style and tooling of the early 2000s, giving it a modern retro appeal. Let's put them on and see what they look like on me. Honestly, the X-Ray 2 Square is a fantastic evolution for the Dutch shoe trend. It takes the nostalgic, layered look and refines it with Puma's signature comfort technology, making it incredibly wearable. If you love bold colors, mixed materials, and a sneaker that makes a defined statement while keeping your feet happy all day, these are a superb choice. They are right on trend for versatile daily wear. And that's it for today's look at the Puma X-Ray 2 Square, a bold mix of retro style and modern comfort, with chunky design, clean lines, and everyday wearability. It's a solid pick whether you are hitting the streets or just keeping it casual. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the next sneaker review or style drop. Thanks for watching, stay stylish, stay confident and I'll see you in the next one.